Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shumapti and today I'm going to talk about winter skincare routine, and winter is almost here. Oh my god. Okay, and I'm going to talk about the top 7 skincare products that I use throughout the winter, like must have for me, and I'm going to share some extra tips in the end of the video. So yeah, let's start. So first, the cleanser. My must-have cleansers for winter are 2 cleansers. First, actually this is one micellar water from Bioderma, Sensibio micellar water that I use as first cleanser, and then I use Neutrogena gentle, extra gentle cleanser. These two are my favorite, and I think I'm going to use just these 2 cleansers throughout this winter. The second thing that is must have for my winter skincare is essence, and I underestimated the power of essence. I thought these are not needed, these are gimmicks, but I started using good essences and I love them. They give me extra hydration. I find them to be more beneficial than toners, and toners I don't think is necessary in skincare, to be very frank. If you want extra hydration, I think essence gonna be good because it is more concentrated and overall these have more skin benefiting ingredients. And my favorite essence at this moment, actually there are 2 essences. First, Purito Galactomycin essence. I love that one. It contains 92% galactomyces and I think 5% niacinamide. It worked really well for my skin. And the second essence that I'm loving is from Cosrx, their Snail Mucin essence. This is actually very good. I love the ingredients. I love what it does to my skin. I didn't review that product yet, but I'm gonna do it very soon. Number 3 obviously would be moisturizer, and my favorite moisturizer is from Cosrx, their Rise Sleeping Pack, and I use this both during the day and night. It has 68% rice extract. It is neither too heavy nor too light. Just for me it has the best consistency and the ingredients are good. So yeah, moisturizer, just go for a good moisturizer, occlusive rich, because during winter our skin tend to lose water, so you need to have occlusive to lock the hydration. So this is very important. And number 4, squalane, and it is not essential step, but I love it. I love using squalane. Currently I'm using this squalane from Minimalist. We have olive squalane and I have reviewed the product. I'm going to leave the link down below. So squalane is basically oil, just oil, and this is very non-sticky, non-comedogenic, saturated oil, and I love this. It works very well for my skin. And during winter, as I told you, our skin tends to lose moisture and water than ever, so this is very important for my skincare. So number 5 would be shea butter, and I love this avocado butter, shea butter, and during winter, especially during the winter, I use shea butter for my hair, for my feet, for my lips. Works really good for my skin and hair, and if you want me to make one dedicated video on shea butter, let me know, I'll do that. Number 6 obviously would be sunscreen, and people tend to think during winter they don't need sunscreen because most of the times we have this cloudy atmosphere and all, but sunscreen is needed for all the seasons and for all the good reasons, because without sunscreen, no matter what you're doing for your skin, no matter how many treatments, serums, everything you're using, no use, because your skin is getting damaged. And people take sun bath, especially during the winter. I have seen it. So please use sunscreen. My favorite is Lash Shield Physico sunscreen, and it has been working very well for my skin. But I'm gonna try out few more new sunscreens, and hopefully I'm gonna give you more options. And yes, please feel free to share the name of your favorite sunscreen in the comments box, because it would be very helpful for me. I'll get more options. So yeah, please do that. So now number 7, that would be body moisturizer, and I use Avene moisturizer. I have been using Avene moisturizer for a long time and I love it, and it works very well for my skin. I use the daily moisturizer. I love the Dermexa emollient cream as well, and this emollient cream, it can be a very good hand cream, neck cream, and sometimes I use this for my face as well, but it won't suit everyone, to be very frank. But this moisturizer and this cream is very good and must have for me during the winter time. So now it's time for me to share the extra tips for winter skincare, and the first would be, don't use hot water for your face, for your body. Don't use that. Use warm water. I prefer normal temperature, to be very frank, but I know winter it can be very harsh and cold, so you can use warm water, but don't use hot water can be very stripping. Number 2, don't overwash your face because it would be stripping the moisture, the oil you need. I just use face wash in the evening, and in the morning I might use micellar water, and yeah, it has been working fine for me. Number 3, don't take too long shower because it can be overstripping. I take shower for like 2 minutes. 2 minutes I'm done. 2 to 5 minutes. And please apply moisturizer on damp skin because in that way you'll be locking the moisture. Otherwise you'll like take some time to let your skin dry. In that process you're gonna lose moisture from your skin. Next step would be don't use soap every day. You really don't need to use soap every day unless you get like extra dirty. It's just water is fine. I'm gonna use Neutrogena Extra Gentle Cleanser as my body wash as well during this winter, but you can choose any gentle creamy cleanser for your body, or you can use glycerin based soaps, but don't use soaps every day. It will be too drying for your skin. So this winter I'm thinking of using humidifier and silk pillowcase, and I'm gonna let you know how these things work for my skin and hair. The next step would be to wear cotton clothes before wearing woolen clothes. It sounds very simple, but it actually protects our skin. So yeah, please do that. My last tip would be don't use facial mist during winter. I have seen people, they do all the skincare steps and in the end they use this facial mist. Just know this, when water evaporates from our skin, it takes more water from our skin. So your skin's gonna be dry, and facial mist don't hydrate your skin, to be very frank. And most of the facial mists, they have fragrance and not so good ingredients. And I don't like fragrance in my leave-on products, and especially facial mist. You're gonna apply this again and again because they are marketed as if they're gonna hydrate each time you're gonna spray these things on your skin. I mean, like really, this is the level, you know, of bad marketing, because you need occlusive to prevent the water loss. And I say don't use this like ever. No facial mist like as the last step of your skincare routine, please. I don't know from where this came. I mean, for makeup I can understand, and makeup, yeah. So yes, if you love to use makeup, then try to use gel based or cream based formula during winter. Because otherwise if you use powder based makeup too much, then it can be drying. I think that's all for now, and I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.